Hi guys, today let's look at how to form a network using fiber optic connections. That's how to connect two devices using fiber means. So we need a fiber patch cord, we need two media converters that will convert the light signal into a bit using RJ45 cable. So I've powered up the media converters. You need one at the transmitting end and you need another one at the other end. Alright, so the patch cord using having a square connector, that is a SC connector type. One go to the transmit, then the other one go to the receive on the media converter. So at the other end, the transmit will be connected to the receive. Alright, so the leg will be interchanged. The one that was connected to transmit on the first media converter, that one will be going to the receive on the second media converter. Alright, so I'm doing that right now. So I don't know the leg right here, so I will randomly swap them. At first, if it doesn't come up, you switch the leg. Okay, it's like now I think currently transmit to transmit, that's why there's no fiber light, so I will switch it. So at the moment transmit will be going to receive, then the fiber light will come up. Yeah, as you can see, the fiber light is up, showing that there is a connection. The fiber connection is up, that's from one end to the other. So you can see the LAN light is still down, the light on the LAN side is down. That is because there's no LAN connection. Yes, so I want to do that right now. The LAN cable will be connected to my laptop, and then the second end go to the media converter. So that's the purpose of the media converter, converting the fiber signal into the LAN signal. So connect the LAN cable to your RJ45 port on your laptop. So as you can see, the LAN light is also up now. The LED for the light is up. So I'll repeat the same thing on the second laptop. That's what I want to do right now. Sorry for the small space. There's not enough space anyway, I'm just managing. Alright, as you can see, all the lights are up, meaning there is a physical connection. There's physical connection to the laptop, there's physical connection between the media converters. The media converters physical connections are through the means of fiber optic cables. So I'm going to assign an IP address to the Ethernet port we are using. So we assign the same subnet IP to the second laptop to see if they can ping each other. I'm using 10.10.10.1/24 here. Alright, so go to the second PC, go to setting, network, then you see Ethernet port, go to network and services, then you see Ethernet port, click on edit, then clear the existing IP address and put in 10.10.10.2. For this laptop, the first one was .1/24. Alright, I want to ping now, so go to CMD, click on the search window box and type CMD. That's command prompt. Yeah, ping 10.10.10.1. Yeah, as you can see, the ping is going, it's traveling through the fiber optic cable to reach the second PC. I want to increase the number to 30 pings, so that's the purpose of the ping followed by the address minus n, then put the number you want to ping. So let me also ping from the second PC. Go to CMD and type ping 10.10.10.2. This one is not going because the firewall is turned on the other PC, so you need to turn it off. Click on the window box, search for Window Defender, type Window Defender in the search box. So click on that, firewall, Window Defender, firewall. As you can see, they are all turned on. So turn them off. Click on turn off. Then that is what is blocking the ping from the second PC. So if I ping this time, it will be going. Alright, as you can see, the ping is going this time around. So I want to increase the number of pings, so minus number n for number, then I put 100, so the ping will be going 100 times. I'll be getting 100 replies. So let me turn the media converter off now. You will see that the ping will stop. Alright, so you can see timeout, meaning it's using the media converters through the fiber, but if I power it on back, it will be going again. So after the media converters are fully up, it will be going. Yeah, as you can see, it's going again. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and comment and share with friends.